Hi, good morning again. This is your coach Arnel. How to handle your racket with forehand and for backhand. First, maglalagay tayo ng konting props sa ating pag-explain, no? This pentel pen for beginners only, no? See this point, okay? Bigyan natin to ng yan, may guhit na guys ha. Yan, may guhit na. Okay. Yang guhit na yan guys ay para mahawakan ng forehand, parang nakashake ka. Yan. Tignan nyo guys ha. Mabuti yan, yan. Ayan. Dito yan guys. Nakaside na ganyan guys ha. Nakaside. This one, oh. Naka-align siya dito sa ating yan, naka-align siya guys ha. Yan, yan yung block natin, no? Yan, align dito guys, hindi siya nakaharap ha, hindi siya nakaganon ha. Yan, ganyan muna. Ngayon, ito na yung power, ito na yung ating wrist movement. Gaganyan natin siya, makikita nyo ulit yung block, naka-align siya dito. Yan guys ha. Yan na yung ating ano. Yan. That's forehand and correct handle of your racket. Okay? Pag ipo-forehand position mo na siya at ito ang dapat nakaharap, hindi mo gagalawin yung raketa. Don't move your racket. Just align to this line of point. Okay? Just move your wrist or hand by this. Okay, your four fingers is the power of your racket, no? Pag tutulak mo na yan, relax position, then pag i-hit ka na, power. Yan. Close your four fingers, meet the thumb, your thumb, no? Go, 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 go. Yan ha, guys ha. See? Then, after that, katulad ng minustra ko kanina, yung kasama na yung tips. Okay, yan guys. Hindi, andali, diba? Andali. Okay, para sa mga new student ko, panoorin nyo tong video na to para maintindihan nyo ako. Sige, salamat and God bless.